Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are hanging out in my room because I started cleaning my brushes while I was watching TV and I realized I haven't showed you my new brush cleaner and how it works, and I didn't feel like moving everything back into the bathroom to video, so I decided to just film in here. I ordered this off of Amazon, so it's pretty easy to get, and I think it was under $20. It's really great and really simple and really fast, so I am going to show you what it is and how it works. Okay, so I moved my bed just because it seems easier to film. So let me show you what we have here. So this came in it. This is the brush cleaner. It also came with this, and this comes off so you can just dump it out. But this is the little dish that it comes in, and the water is kind of like a white color because I put a little bit of hand soap in there. So all this is water and 1 squirt of hand soap. I also put dish detergent in here, or face cleaner. Then I have my bar soap, and this I use just in case like I have foundation or something that's harder to come off with just this. So these are all the little tips. I'm going to start with the small one right here and show you how to do it. Now you cannot do the double-ended brushes like this. So I have to put all of those to the side. But you can do single brushes like this. So what you do is in this little hole right here, you just put the brush in. So it looks like this, and you turn it on. There's 3 speeds. There's the smaller speed and a faster speed. So you just stick it in. And you pull it up so you let it dry for a second, but you do it in there. And then you turn it off. Now you see this is like a pink color, so if it doesn't come off like that, I just take it and wet it a little bit and rub it on a piece of soap and then put it back in. Now I just like to spin mine. You don't have to, you can just hold it, but I like to spin mine. And then you take it out and it's clean. It's hard to get this out. You've got to like struggle with it. So that one's clean. Then we move on to the next one. This one isn't really dirty, but I used it, so we're gonna clean it. Now it's clean. And you just continue to do this. If you want to do a bigger brush, you take this off and you put it back down here, and you just find which one fits. I think it's going to fit this one. So I am going to put this back together and put this in it. And you see it's brown. I may need to put a little soap on this. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And just stick it in. And you can see the water is already changing colors. It's kind of like a dirty gray color. Look how cool this is. And now it's white. Let's do this brush, this pink one. I'm going to dip it in. It should be white. I'm just going to put some soap on it. Put it in here. Oh, the water immediately turned a different color. Now the brush is white. Isn't that cool? I think it's amazing. And that is it. If you like this, I will definitely put the link below in the comment or the description section so you can buy one. And let me know what you guys think of it. It's not the best in quality, but it definitely cleans them a lot quicker than what it did if I did it. And it's kind of fun to play with. See, all clean. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. I figured y'all might want to see how dirty the water got. And here are the brushes. They're all clean.